Today we will learn about the municipality. A municipality is also called a municipal council or a municipal committee. The other name of municipality is municipal council and municipal committee. It is a local self-governing body for small towns or cities. The cities with population, this is important. The cities with population between 20,000 and 10 lakhs have municipality. So the population of about between 20,000 to 10 lakhs have municipalities in their areas. Now the composition of the municipalities. The members of a municipality are directly elected by the registered voters of the city. All the citizens of the city who are of 18 years or above 18 years can vote in the municipal election. They are known as the adults. The candidates who wish to contest, who wants to participate in the election must be of 25 years of age and above. The number of members in a municipality varies from town depending on the population of the town. The members of the municipality or municipality or municipal council are called the councillor. The name of the members of the municipality or municipal council are the councillors. The city is again divided into a number of wards. So the whole city is divided into smaller areas which is known as wards. Each ward elects one member as their representative. So each ward elects their own representative, one member who is known as the ward member. Some seats in every municipality are reserved for the candidates belonging to the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes, and one third of the total seats are reserved for women. It also has some nominated and ex officio members. Some seats are filled up by the members nominated for having special knowledge, for having great knowledge or specific knowledge about regarding some areas and experience of municipal administration, and who have the experience of municipal administration are a part of a municipality. Besides the MLAs, the full form of MLA is members of Legislative Assembly and members of Parliament elected from that area also form a part of the municipality. So members of Legislative Assembly and members of Parliament is also a part of municipality, municipal council or municipal committee. A municipality is also elected for a term of 5 years. So the municipality is also elected for the tenure of 5 years. Then again after 5 years the election will be held. Now, office bearers of a municipality. The members of a municipality elects a chairperson. So all the registered voters of the municipality, all the members of the municipality elects their chairperson who presides over the meetings that are held at regular intervals. Okay. They also elect a vice chairperson. After chairperson, they also elect a vice chairperson who takes a charge in the absence of the chairperson. If chairperson is not available there, then all the work which is done by the chairperson before is now done by the vice chairperson. Okay. Now the permanent officials of the municipality. Who are the permanent members? Who are the permanent officials of the municipality? A municipality also has some permanent members. They assist in its day-to-day working. So all the permanent members of the municipality assist their day-to-day working of the municipal council or municipal committee. They include the executive officer, secretary, health officer, sanitary inspector, municipal engineer, junior engineer, octroi inspector and education officers. These officials follow the instructions and implement and executed the policies which are framed by the municipality. So the work of these officials or these permanent members are that they follow the instructions which are implemented and which are executed and the policy which are framed by the municipality. So in this we learned that municipality, the other name of municipality or municipal council. The towns or cities, small towns or cities having population of about 20,000 to 10 lakhs have municipalities or municipal committee. Okay. Now composition. all the registered voters elect their representative who are of age 18 years or above age of 18 years can vote, and who can participate. The people who have the age of 25 or above the age of 25 can contest the election, and above 18 or 18 years old can vote in the election. Now again, this is the area is divided into ward, and each ward have their own representative who is known as ward member. And the members of the municipality, members of municipality is known as councillors. Some seats are reserved for the SC and ST, and 1/3 of the total seats are reserved for women's.